there we go. And we have all these amazing options on NICUs, guys, as you can see. Nice. So we can enable no clip, we can enable anti-AFK, only night, only day, remove fog. Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest script for my dead rails on mobile, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this online, and later we will test it together, does it actually work. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, guys. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on browse scripts. So guys, there you will find a list and we will click on that rails. So there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser, log into your profile and just copy your profile URL. So in your profile URL there is user ID. So you just get back to the tool and click on this small button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So just click continue when you paste this, guys, and it will start searching for your user account. User found, you should get this message, and now we have our user account connected. It's my name, it's my avatar. You should get yours here. So guys, now we will have to get any executor to our Roblox to get this script. So guys, I currently have no executors. So if you have executors, just click here. I already have a different executor. If you have Delta executor, just click yes. Or if you have no executor, just click no and we will import Delta. So I will now import Delta to my account, and now we will select the script that we want to receive in order to use it on dead rails. So guys, I will select NICUs and Forge Hub. They are the best scripts. So select these two. For my opinion, it's the best, I said. So just click continue when you finish this task. Step. And third step will start loading up. So API is connecting, guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So yeah, and there we go, guys. API is connected. Nice. We got our activation key. There we go, guys. As you can see, nice. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our dead rail script with key. So it's one-time verification, guys, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can complete these small questionnaires, you can complete these app downloads, game downloads. It's literally up to you. It's all free and online. And what will I do now? I will download TikTok and I will download Playful Rewards. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone. And if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. For each task you complete. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, Playful Rewards and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. Oops. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. It should redirect us every single second, so let's wait together. I won't skip this video, and there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for pressing the bot check. Dead rail script is reported to your account, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. So there we go, guys. Now we will open our Roblox and now we will see does it actually work. So let's wait for our Roblox and then we will click on dead rails. There is currently a lot of players there, so Let's play this, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So we should receive 2 scripts. Nice, there we go. We got our Delta executor imported, and let's see, there we go, guys. Forge Hub and NICUs as we selected. So now I will zoom out a little bit. So we will go to any game. I will start any game. So let's join here. So now we will get started with game, right? And now we will test our scripts, right? So let's see. I will click, it's a little, okay, there we go. Let's click on NICUs first and let's test this script, guys. So it should load up now, there we go. And we have all these amazing options on NICUs, guys, as you can see. Nice. So we can enable no clip, we can enable anti-AFK, only night, only day, remove fog, remove clouds, ESPs. Guys, it works amazing. So let's try now with this no clip. As you can see, guys, it works amazing. There we go. It going through the walls. So we can also test Forge Hub, but guys, I hope I helped you. You can turn off and you can on all these settings. You can play with all these settings. Also, you can try Forge Hub. It's also amazing script. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.